Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I wanted to hop on here and just do a real short video and really cover some of the different mailers that you have at your fingertips here inside the Millionaire Mailer. And I know some of you are participating in this, at different levels, and just wanted to introduce you to some of the key ones that I'm using and really just seeing some good success with them. And so anyway, I wanted to share with you first. We really have something for everybody in this program. You can start at wherever is comfortable and then work your way up. Some are, coming in at the top level, and then they've got all the lower levels available to them. So I just really wanted to kind of explain how all of that works. Anyway, this is our beginning level is actually the $10 cash machine. Okay. And basically what this is this is a 4-position mailer. So everybody that is listed on the mailer is already participating in the program. So when you're partnering in this and you are actually paying the 4 individuals, you're paying those that are already part of it. They already paid their $10 to each of the people that were on their mailer. And they have received a mailer with their name in the first position. Okay? So what they're going to do is when they get their kit, and their kit contains the mailer, it contains a mailing list resource. Okay, I'm going to show you that so that you're seeing. This is our mailing list resource that comes with the kit. Okay. They get a mailing directory as well, a mailing directory or report. Okay. You also get your peel and stick labels. These are the labels that, these are people that are actively looking to work a direct mail business. Okay, so these actually come with your kit to start you out in a business. And they're peel and stick ready, so they can just be placed, onto the envelopes, and out they go. And then also, what I send out with all of my information, whether I combine both. I combine the peel and sticks, and I also market in social media. So each person gets my $10 cash machine, and they also get my stamp mailer. And this thing is a gem, guys. You pay for this once. It's 2 books of stamps to 4 people, and then you have this stamp mailer forever. You can duplicate it. It has paid for itself many times over. So this all comes in the kit. This is a business that's been implemented for years, and they've put everything together so that you guys have the way to, foster a great business. So anyway, we also have, I wanted to share with you, we also have the $20 cash machine. Let me see where I have that here. Here's my $200 a day cash machine. Here's the $20. Okay. This is the $20 cash machine. Okay. And I also have, I love this mailer. This is the $200 a day cash machine. It's really a fun one. It's a combination of the $10 and $20 payments. So it's a combination mailer. And it explains, the mailers all explain. There's clear instructions on here of what you can do. We have our call listed when we have our live calls, the replay of the calls. And you know, the contact information, you can contact you know, the owner. He's very hands-on. He actually opens all of our calls every Tuesday. He's been doing this for 6 years, and I've been partnered in this for a year, and it has been a wonderful business that you can promote online and offline. I believe that any person that is marketing a business needs to implement the offline forms of marketing their business as well, because it's just so advantageous. People, we're very much, you know, if you consider our phones, we like to hold something, we like to read something, you know, we're just tactile. That's how we operate. And, you know, that's just here's an example right here, you know, of what you can see, what offline marketing per se, you know, can do for you. It's stacks of payments. Now, what has come in these payments? And I've done, you know, many videos, obviously, on my payments, and you know, it varies. You get, sometimes it's the, you know, $200 a day cash machine. Sometimes I'm getting 3 or 4 of these in a day. Well, it's a combination of $20 and $10 payments. So sometimes you're seeing, you know, $100 a week. You could be seeing $400 a week, and you know, it just depends on how people are partnering with you and what levels. So we have also, you know, the umbrella level, which is the millionaire mailer level. So that is your 25. I'll show that to you. Okay, we've got the 25 and the 50. Okay. Sorry, I kind of shuffled these around a little bit. Anyway, here's the $50 mailer right here. I'm holding up a few of these. Here is the $25 mailer as well. Okay, so this is a 4-position mailer, and you're receiving each time someone partners in this. So you're earning residually with each person that you partner with. So basically what happens is you receive a $25 payment, and 3 other individuals are receiving the $25 payment. The last position is always the company, because the company creates the kit. They do administratively. We don't put together the kits. The company puts together the kits, and we just promote it. We just promote it. So when you partner in business, for example, at this level, you send $25 to the 4 positions on the mailer there. Okay. And on the bottom here, you're going to complete your name and address. Okay. And they will create a kit for you, and it's going to come with a mailer just like this, and it's going to have your name, and then my name would be in the 2nd position, and in this position, in this example, Reverend Wilson would be in the 3rd position, and then you have the company in the 4th position. So you repeat that process out with each person, along with duplicating the Pro Stamp Club as well. Okay, and this, by the way, can be for any direct mail marketing business owners. They can be utilizing this stamp mailer, and they need residual stamps. So I actually market this as a standalone product as well, because I've had other direct mail marketers come to me and say, hey, I need that stamp mailer that you have. I need to duplicate it in my team. So anyway, you can do that. We also have, the 250 mailer here as well. Okay, and if you go with the 250 mailer, for example, okay, if you go with that mailer, you get the 100, the 50, and the 25 is included with your kit. You get all mailers with your kit. It's a one and done, and this is a great time to actually do that, being that it's tax season. Many people are taking advantage of the tax season. Okay, and then I'm going to jump up. This is actually our Financial Freedom mailer right here. This is the $1,000 mailer. So when a person partners at the $1,000 level, okay, it's a one and done. You do that along with the stamp mailer. You come in, you get the $1,000 mailer, you get the 500, the 250, the 100, the 50, and the 25. So all of that is included in your kit, and then it's just a matter of duplicating that out. And I like to work in teams of helping everybody have 10 partners. Duplicating out 10 partners, it can be done very, very quickly. I've had an example the week before Christmas. I had someone that messaged me the week before Christmas. She came in, and the week after Christmas, I got on calls with her new partners. We literally brought in 13 people for her in basically a 2.5 week period of time, guys. Okay, and can you imagine, if that's $100 payments, that's $1,300. Even at the $25 level, I'm doing my math here, right? If you come in at the $25 level, 13 people, that's $325. Okay. Obviously at the $10 level, 13 people, you're looking at $130. And, and so on. If you come in at the 250 level and you say, hey, I'm going to have 13 people, partner with me at the 250 level, that's $3,250. So the idea is once people are coming in and you're introducing them to the kit and having them partner, guys, then this is where your stacks of payments here, start arriving, and it's fun because everybody is working together. This is like no one's left behind, and it's just folding a mailer and getting it in the mail. And you can combine, obviously the peel and sticks that I was showing you. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of this awesome, here's the peel and sticks. I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what you can be doing and how whatever you want each week. Are you looking for $200 a week? Are you looking to scale this up and eventually have $200 a day or what have you, guys? You can decide to make whatever amount that you want to create for your family, and this can make a big difference. Maybe you just want to help with a few of the bills around the house, or maybe you want to replace your job, and these are ways that you can make a secondary income, supplement and or eventually replace your income. So anyway, I appreciate you joining me today, and feel free to subscribe to my channel, and send me some feedback or what have you, and would be glad to connect with you. So make it a great day.